Hi, my name is Jessica Gustafson.
And my name is Fatty Brown.
We will be sending plants and trees and seeds and stuff to Mars to be planted in the rich, nutrient-filled soil, which will make these plants grow larger than usual of Mars.
You may ask? Well, I'll tell you how it works, buddy. We're going to send the plants to Mars, right? The plants will obviously take the carbon dioxide and make oxygen. Then we'll send humans to Mars to plant certain seeds in certain areas to make the habitat, plus the water of melting and everything else. Plus to make habitats with the zookeepers and everything else. Because Mars is going to be interstellar space. That's how it's going to work. And then we'll eventually send them animals. So yeah. Plants and animals, plants maybe, plants, only plants, and then an interstellar space vehicular modulator. Yes.
We will be sending overpopulated animals to not only provide food for the endangered animals, but to populate Mars.
Okay. How this will work, you may ask? Well, we'll obviously just send over the overpopulated species of Earth, such as the mosquitoes, so that they could be used for feeding the endangered animals, like the red-eyed, Australian red-eyed sea sprout. Now, this would be also a good chance to populate Mars, to have like a kind of second Earth, or a sister planet to be. This is all, of course, after we melt the polar ice caps to make water, and then plant the grass and other vegetation. The components we're going to need for this plan, however, are going to be, obviously, Mars itself, populated animals, interstellar space vehicles, and the polar ice caps of Mars. Thank you very much.
We will be sending endangered animals to Mars to populate a designated area, and so they will have their chance to breed away from their natural predators. And then once they have mostly repopulated, some of the species will be sent back to Earth to live normally.
Go. How does this work, you may ask? I'll tell you how. Does this work? Does this work? Stop it. This works because, just as strategy 1 and 2, we're going to send over the endangered animals in the designated areas to be populated by themselves, away from natural predators and artificial predators, such as hunters and poachers. This law will not always protect them, because sometimes they wander out of the parks and stuff like that. So, and people get attacked by them, so yeah. But the components we're going to need for this is still Mars, an interstellar space vehicle, and few chosen endangered animals, because this will be highly expensive. But eventually, we'll have to fuel better hybrid interstellar space vehicles, so we'll get a better trip to Mars. So you're still wondering what the designated area is. The designated area is a 10 by 10 kilometer square that holds grass, trees, and lakes and rivers, depending on the animal. So you got your ecosystem. If they leave this, they obviously get into the barren area of Mars' natural landscape. And then they'll have to come back to get food, water, and resources. So it's pretty much kind of like a prison and kind of like a zoo. But it's more natural. Okay.
In conclusion, sending animals to Mars will allow the animal to keep its natural instinct. It will also be safer because it won't have anything to flee from, and will allow the animal bring it back from extirpation. Extirpation is
faces, worn out places, worn out faces, riding early for their daily races,
I don't remember how it starts.
going nowhere,
Strategy 1. Strategy 3.
The tears are filling up their glasses, no expression.
I don't know what we're doing, you didn't tell me.
No expression.
Strategy 3.
Yeah. We're going backwards, okay, because you want to be a bitch about it. Plants, then humans, then animals. Go!
We will be sending...
No
What? We don't send humans.
Send
Overpopulated animals and
Find it
Damn it, I'm sorry.
dreams and visions are the best I've ever. Find it hard to tell you. Find it hard to take.
Got my afro and everything?
Yeah, I could go.
Circles, it's a very,
How will this work?
very
Mad.
How will this work, you may ask? Well, I'll tell you. Something like that. How will this work?
Children waiting for the day they feel. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
How will this work? Yeah, I know, let's go.
The way that every child should
Talk about the habitat.
sit
Come on.
and listen.
Like the habitat, then we're going to be building first. Yeah.
That means we're sending endangered animals.
Okay, so talk about the overpopulation.
And
No one knew me.
yeah.
No one knew me.
Plan, however.
Hello, teacher. Tell me what's my lesson.
I gotta be